Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Nahian and welcome to my channel Code with Abdullah Nahian. Today we are going to make a new video tutorial. So our today topic is how to make a medical or hospital website using Elementor and ACF Pro. So after watching this video, hopefully you can make any kind of medical or hospital related website very easily with more features and exclusive features of course. So let's check our demo site. So first we have top bar. At the left side we have a phone number and email address, and at the right side we have a make appointment button. Then we have a logo and our menu. So we have a 7 pages: home page, about us, services, doctors, departments, blogs, and contact us. Then we have our all hero section like this. We have a subheading, heading, paragraph, and 2 button like this. Then we have our about us section. Then we have our services section like this. Then we have our steps, how it works. Then we have a client review portion, counter section. Then we have our pricing plans like this. Then we have our core features. Then we have our blog section, and we have our footer part. And we have a sticky menu. Okay, so go to our about us page. So about us page will be like this. First we have breadcrumb part, then about section, this counter and testimonial and common footer. Then go to services page. So we have a common breadcrumb part. Then we have our all services like this, and we have core features, and we have our testimonials, then footer part. Then go to doctors. So doctor showcase all doctors list. So here like 6 doctor showcase here, like doctor name, doctor designation, and view details. So if we click on view details in single new tab, so it is his details. It is fully dynamic because we use ACF Pro, and this will be an Elementor Pro of course. Name, image, then specialty, experience, working days, visiting hours, and contact is personal contact information, and form for booking. So if you just book here, all information goes to this email. Then we have footer part. Now go to our same. If you go to next doctor, then this page dedicated to her information is fully dynamic and showcase here. Then go to our departments page. So our all department page like this: dental care, general surgery, implantology, neurology surgery, etc., and everything. So if we click here, read more for dental care. So here showcase your dental care all details information like how many wards, beds, doctors, contact information, and gallery like this. Okay, and here fully dynamic of course. Then we have our blog section. If you go to our blog page, and here blog section like this. So here only 3 posts currently published now. Click on read more, and it showcase is details blog page like this, is everything perfect. Okay, that's great. Now and finally we have our contact page. So contact page like this, like we have a common breadcrumb. Then we have our address, phone, email, and then we have our map part and form and common footer part. So this is our project overview. So in this project I will show you how to make this full website using Elementor and ACF Pro from scratch. So for start this project, I already installed WordPress in my locally. So it's called medical, and from here I use Elementor premium version, that is pro version here. Of course we need pro version, and ACF Pro version we need, and also we use WP Forms free version, and for themes we use here the Hello Elementor free theme. Okay, so first we have to make our this header portion, then we will make our common footer portion. Okay, fine. So for first we have to create our menus part. So here I can create all pages 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So basically we have 6 3 6 7 pages. Okay, so first we write here home. So home, just click on publish. Then we have about us, services, about us, home, then about us, then services, then doctors, then departments, and here we can write here like blocks. So here remove this part, remove this, and remove this. Home, so we can write here blocks, then click on publish, then go to contact us and click on publish. Okay, so go to here, now settings to general. So we can just write here our name like Novena Medical website, and we can write a tagline. So here like for example site icon. So for site icon we have already images, so go to here our this medical, and here favicon, upload this image, and here we can set site icon. That's perfect, and here is okay. So my time zone GMT +6, okay, and we start from Sunday. Save changes. Okay, now we go to our reading part. So from here we can choose static page to our home page, blog page, select to our blocks. Okay, save changes. Now go to our permalinks part. Here we can choose post name and click save changes. Okay, now go to appearance to menus part. So we can write here like main menu, location main menu, say create menu, and here click view all, home, blogs, about us, contact us, departments, doctor, services. Okay, add to menu. Now we rearrange our part. After home we can add about us, contact us move to bottom, blogs before contact us, service after about us. Okay, so our menu creation done. Click save changes. Now go to our Elementor to our theme builder. So first we need our header. So as we is Elementor Pro version, so here we can choose here from header or here header. So this page showcase header part. So open with Elementor. Okay, so we don't need any blocks or templates, we start from scratch. Okay, so we can first rename this page. So just write here like header, status publish, and preview settings we have no things select. Okay, so first we need to our primary color, secondary color, etc. choice here. So already I collect all color, so copy our primary color, go to size settings. So here we can choose like global colors. So primary as this color, secondary we can choose as this color, and then text color we can choose like #333. Link remains same, so we have need few custom color. So here this will be our like BG1. So just write here like BG1, change color. Then our next color will be like BG2. So add color, we can rename this like BG2, change color. Okay, then our this like border color. So here we can just write here like border color, and finally we need common white color. So write here like name white and change color to pure white color. Save changes. Now we need our global fonts, so we use here common font plus Jakarta. So search for plus Jakarta Sans, this font. So select here. Then we can choose as secondary font as this font. Then here use this font and use this font. Okay, save changes. Back to editor. So first we need this top bar. So for this, click on plus icon. So from here we can choose here equal to column. So here we don't need this atomic editor. So before we can publish, so add condition. So include entire site. That's great. Save and close. So from here, go to Elementor editor to settings part. So we don't here not now. From here advanced, we can choose here load font awesome for support. Yes. Save changes. Now atomic editor, we don't need this, so just click on activate. I have read understand, deactivate. In this project we don't need this latest version. Okay, so you can remove this part. Again refresh the page. Okay, so click plus icon, flag box equal to column. So from here we can choose section, go to style, and from here we can choose background color as primary color. From layout we can choose vertical alignment center. So here we need our icon box. So search for icon box, icon actually icon list. Okay, icon list. So this one. Okay, so inline. So our first step, this phone number. So just copy this number from here, and here we can just paste here and right here like phone icon. So phone, insert, and here we can link like tell colon this one. We don't use any hyphen or space, and remove plus. Then we have our email address. Change icon to envelope. Right here mail to. Okay, and remove this one. And here we need a simple button. So search for button. Okay, and button just text will be make appointment. So just click here and change text. So first we have this part. Go to style, and here icon we can change color to our white color. White color. Okay, icon size like 10 pixel. Go to here text. So from here we can choose text color to white color, and font weight like 500. Okay, here is problem. Maybe we can this info here. Just click here, content here. Okay, go to style, and here icon is okay now. From here text we can choose here like font size 15-16 pixel. 15. Okay, and font weight like 600. I think 600 is perfect. Yes. Now here this button. So click here and go to here center right. Okay, just click here, go to style, and change color to our secondary color. From here we can choose font weight like 600, text transform like uppercase. Okay, and font weight 700, font size like 15 pixel, 14 pixel, and here we need a border radius. So for this we can use like 15 pixel or 9 pixel. Yes. Now click on publish, and here we can parent remove show all padding. Yes. Yes. Now okay, just click on publish, or we can choose like top 5, bottom 5, and here we can check our main site. Yes, our this part is okay now. Now we need our this header portion. So from here we can choose this layout. So from here align item center. So we can search for site logo. Yes, this one. So change site logo. Click here. Okay. Not now everything is okay. From site logo we can upload image. So select files. So from here we can choose this one. Select. Okay. Then click save changes. Back to editor. Okay, and here search for weekend menu. So WordPress menu. So just drag and drop here. Main menu selected. Okay, right position. Pointer we can choose here like text and grow none. And here we can this icon we can the element left content. From here we can remove size, like we can choose like 15, so remain 85%, so adjust size here 85. Okay, so just click here menu, go to style, and from here font size like 17 pixel, 16, okay I think, and font weight like 500. Okay, go to here normal color, hover color we can change to secondary color, and active color change to our secondary color. Okay, so from here horizontal padding 0, vertical padding 0, and space between 0. Now space more as we need like 25, I think is okay now, and we can increase font weight to like 600. Okay, and 1 pixel 7, and here so from here we can add a style that's in border part. So go to here border solid, we only need border bottom, so change color to border, and here go to advanced. So from here position display motion effects, so here sticky top. Okay, so click on publish, and here of course we need to change background color to white color. Background color to white color. Now click on publish, refresh the page. If it go to bottom, it will be sticky. Now make our footer part. So footer part we have common footer, this are logo carousel, then footer section, 4 column, and this part. So all are from department custom post type and all pages, but we don't get those pages yet. So for now we just use that as dummy text. So first start our footer part. So I remove header. So here again go to Elementor to theme builder. So from here we can choose footer and click add new. And remove this part. So from here we can just click icon flex box, we need full width, so we can search for carousel, image carousel. Okay, so plus icon, upload files. So from here we can choose 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So logo uploaded, all uploaded, done almost. Okay, now click on create a new gallery, insert gallery. So from here go to this section, go to style, and background color change to our BG2 actually, and from advanced we can add padding like top 50 pixel and bottom 50, and from here we can go to style and add border, actually border top only. So border top only we can choose border color. So from here we need everything okay, we can yes size full, select to show like 5 here, maybe 5, yes 5 show, select to scroll 1, no scratch, arrow dots we here don't need anything. Okay, then navigation caption not need additional, everything is perfect. Okay, and here I think go to style, vertical and middle spacing custom we can choose to like 15 pixel, border solid 1 pixel, border color. Click on publish, add condition, enter site. Okay, save and close. Now refresh the page. We have display condition, enter site. Okay, save and close is done. Now click on meta refresh. Okay, it showcase now. Okay, fine. Okay, yes, that's great. Now at the bottom we have 4 columns, so here we can choose here 4 columns, and we have a background image. So go to here style, and style. Here we can upload our background image, so we can search for like footer. So footer, this one, select, then we can choose background position, center, then display size, cover, go to advanced, and here we can choose padding like top 80 pixel, bottom 80 pixel, and here we need a overlay, so background overlay we can choose here. Color is our primary color, okay, opacity like 0.95, or we can have like this one, or we have to dark color actually, text color, which color actually they use here, maybe this one. So I just pick color from here, this color, yes. Okay, and here footer part, so I just for color I just put color, so I have to not copy again. Okay, so first we have this part, about us, then content. So first we need a heading part, so we can search for heading, just drag and drop, change tag to h4, okay, and here write like about us, okay, go to style, change color to white color, and font size like 18 pixel, or 18 is okay, yes, 18 okay, and font weight okay, 22 okay, yes. Now copy here, go to paste, then paste, then paste. Then we need our this text from here, so we can search for text editor, okay, then paste here, go to style, and change color to white color. I think size okay, or we can adjust size 17 or 15 pixel, 15. Line height 25, okay. Then we can change font weight to 500 for better adjustment, yes. Now we have social, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, so we can search for social icon, social. So Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, so we can just change this one to LinkedIn, and we can have to port link, so https www.facebook.com, okay. Then we have twitter.com, then we have LinkedIn, then we have YouTube, okay. So go to style part, and here custom color, and primary color we can change to as our transparent color, and this color is okay. So size change to like 12 pixel or 15 pixel, and spacing is okay. Now here go to content, and here left alignment, go to sorry, left not center is okay, I think here center left. So left alignment, go to style, and here padding 0, sorry, padding 0, yes, and in case spacing 15. So here icon hover we can choose here as our secondary color, okay, that's great. Now we have department, so we don't create those pages, so for now just we can as an icon list, so here we can just icon list, and for now we don't put anything, so we can just 2 3 4 5 for now, and go to style, we can here divider like 10, icon, change color to our white color, okay. Actually here icon not need, so we can adjust for later, no problem. And here go to content, go to style part, and here text we can change color to white color, so we can just put remain like this, okay. And here we have our opening hours, so for this here we can just like support, then we have our opening hours, so we can write here icon box, okay. So here we can choose stack, go to style, left align, vertical align, middle, So first we have like opening hours Monday to Thursday. So just click here, content. It will be like clock icon. So search for clock icon. Just insert. Then we can just write this one and change tag to H4. Then we have go to here style part. So from icon size we can change icon color to secondary color. Okay, icon size we can here like 15 pixel, 15 I think more small, 12. Then go to here this part, Monday Thursday, that's the content. Then we have title, we can change color to white color, and hover change color to white color. Okay, then here we can choose font size like 15 pixel and text transform uppercase. Okay, and we can choose like 12 pixel and font weight like 700. Okay, and from box we can icon position 10, and here we can just 5, and here we can just write here this line, copy from here, paste here. Okay, go to style and content, we can change color to white color. Okay, and here we can choose font weight 600. That's perfect. Now copy this duplicate, now we have like Friday, this one. So copy from here, just paste here. Then we have our this weekend closed. Okay, so our content put done. So we can adjust our size. So we can like 30%. This like 30%, and these two like 20%. So total 80 and plus 20. So will be like total 100. That's perfect. Now we have this part, copyright text. So for this we can add a heading part. So from here we can move a heading, change text to like p tag, and copy this line from here. So change copyright to and copy, then this one, go to style, element center, then color change to white color. Then here we can choose font weight like 500, font size like 15 pixel 16, text transform capitalize, and from here we can choose advanced to padding like top 20, bottom 20. Now click on publish. So our footer part is done, not fully done, because we have this separator and menu. We will do later after create all pages. So refresh the page. Okay, so footer is okay for now. It's not fully okay. So already we have done our header footer. So now we start our home page. So already we make our home page. So just from here, just click on edit page. Then this page edit with Elementor. Okay, so we have first section, which is our here section, like this: background image, overlay, subheading, heading, and description, and 2 buttons. Okay, so from here page settings we can change to page layout to Elementor full width, and here we can choose like plus icon, 1 column need. Then from here go to style, and here classic, here I have upload image, so upload files, and this image hero image. Okay, just select. Now go to here background position, center, display size, cover. So from background overlay I can choose here our primary color, primary. Then here opacity like 0.95, 0.95 or 0.9, 0.9, okay, or 85. Okay, yes. Go to advanced, and here top padding 120 pixel, bottom padding 120 pixel. So first step this one. So just copy this line from here, or you can just here heading, change tag to our span tag, and paste text. Now we have this one. So copy this line from here. So we need a heading, heading. So change text to H1 and paste here, and after care in we can add a break tag. Then we have our this description part. So this description, from here we can just add a text editor and paste here. Then we need two buttons, so we need a container. So from here we can add a button. So from here button, basically we need two buttons. So first button, book online, change this one, and this one our specialist. So copy this text from here and paste. So we have to design one by one. So first this one, so here we can choose here layout, align center. Okay, so from this part go to advanced, and here go to change to background color. We can choose to as our secondary color. Okay, go to style, we can change color to white color, and is perfect. Padding, like top 10 pixel, bottom 10, right 30, left 30. Again go to style, and no, sorry, not style, from advanced we can choose border like 15 pixel. Okay, now this part, go to style and change color to our white color. Font weight like 800. Okay, text element center 800, yes, and increase font size like as much, like here we can choose to like 60 pixel, and line height we can choose like 70 pixel. Okay, that's perfect. And from here text transform capitalize. Now click here this text alignment center, change color to white color, and from here font size like 22 pixel or 20 pixel, and font weight 500. I think is okay. Now here this one, so here from here we can choose direction and just a content center. Okay, so from here button, go to style and change color to our secondary color, and font weight 500 is okay. Then here we can choose to border radius like 9 pixel. Okay, and hover color change to our primary color. So copy style and paste style. So book online, maybe we can add a icon. So from here like book something, so for now we can this icon, element right. Okay, and specialist, there's been doctor, so we can choose here like users and use this icon, and position right side. Okay, click on publish. So if you check our home page, so all this part is done now. Okay, perfect. Now after this we have our about us section, about us like this part. So for this we can add a plus icon, we can choose this equal to column. Go to advanced, we can choose padding, top 80 pixel, bottom 80 pixel, and this layout we can choose like 40%, and here we can choose like 60%. And go to section, from layout we can choose align center. So here we can copy this line from here. So again this copy, paste here, then this line copy, paste here. Then we need a text editor. So from here we can add a text editor. Then we have features, that's been icon list. So icon list, so we can use this icon list here, and we need a button. So for button we can use this same design, so just paste here. Okay, now first we need to image. So from here we can upload image. So from upload we can search for about. So this image, select, and here change to large to full. Okay, here anything, yes, our border color, go to style, width 100%, and border type solid 2 pixel, and change color to secondary color. Now border radius 15 pixel. Now change text to like your partner in wellness. So just click here, change here, and this one we can choose here this item, this one. Okay, now here we can copy this text from here and just click here and paste. Okay, so from here we can change color, advanced, then background. So background color change to primary color. Then text color, we can go to style and change color to our primary color. Okay, alignment left, and here we can choose font weight like 700. Okay, and this case font size like 50 pixel, and here we can choose like 60 pixel. Okay, I think is okay, and here we can more decrease like 50 is okay, and here maybe here 45%, and here 55%. Okay, yes, now okay. Now here font weight, line height 55 pixel. Okay, now here we can copy this line from here, as we use text editor, so just paste this line is enough. Okay, I think it's perfect. Now here we have features, so just first one, so here first 5 items, so we can duplicate 2, 3, 4, 5. So first item, this one, then here copy this line from here. Second, then we have this part, so copy this one. Then we have this one, copy this one from here, paste. Then we have our this one, so copy this line from here. Okay, so here go to style, separator like 5 pixel, icon color change icon. Okay, from text we can change color to our primary color. Okay, then font weight like 500 is perfect, and here book online, change text to like read more, and here we can change icon like arrow, this one. Okay, click on publish. If now go to our home page, so our this one, yes, that's perfect. Okay, so our home page is done now. Sorry, this about page, and here we can add a spacing, so go to here advanced and margin left like 40 pixel. Yes, now click on publish. Okay, that's perfect. Now here after this we have this our services section like this. Okay, so for services, so go to here, we can click on plus icon, then flex box, we can choose this layout. Okay, and from here go to here set style. From background we can change background color to like BG1. Go to advanced, is BG1, yes, BG1 advanced, padding like top 80 pixel, bottom 80 pixel. Go to style, and here border we can solid, top 1 pixel, and change color to like border color. If you hide this part, yes, I think it's okay now. Now this container we can use full width, okay, 100%, and go to advanced, and from here margin like bottom 60 pixel, and here I can duplicate another one. So our layout like this, we have like this one. So for this we can, I think we have to reduce a few padding, so 10, like top 5 start is okay, bottom 5. Yes, I think it's okay now, it's no problem. Now just copy this part, paste here. Then we have a award winning patient care, so copy this line from here, and here we can add a heading, change text to H4, and here paste text. Then we have this text, so just copy this description from here, and we can add a text editor. So after heading we can add text editor. Okay, now this container, go to layout, align items, center. Okay, that's perfect. Go to here style, and font weight like 700, text transform capitalize, font size 40 pixel, I think 40 is okay. Now this click here, go to style part, and here we can choose font weight 500. Okay, font size like 17 pixel. Okay, that's perfect, I think it's okay now. Click on publish, refresh the page. So our section title is done now. So here basically icon, name, description, and a button. So for this here we need to add a container, here like this. Okay, then here we can search for icon box, so icon box. Okay, then we need a button, so we can just need a button here. Okay, so first step, we can copy this line from here, change tag to our H4 tag, then paste here. and here we can search for laboratory, maybe microscope or something like this. Yes. Okay, so from here, place here inside, go to advanced. We can choose padding 15. Actually, top like 25, bottom like 25. Okay, and here style part, here we can choose stack. Okay, and here go to style part, element left, that's perfect. Content icon spacing like 10, here like 5 pixel. So icon, we can icon size like 20 and radius like 9 pixel. Okay, and increase more like 25, and here we can choose content like 10, and here we can just copy this line from here, copy, and go to content and paste here. Okay, now go to style and our change color, content color. So content size like 22 pixel, 24, 22 or 24, 24 is okay. Now here go to content, fonts weight like 500. Okay, and font size like 17 pixel, 16, line height like 25. Okay, and here go to here style, background color change to white color, and here border we can choose solid 1 pixel. We can choose here like BG2. What happened BG2 or normal border is okay. So we can choose to border color. Yes, this okay. Now here border radius like 15 pixel. So when hover we can choose solid 1 pixel, and here like color like our primary color, and radius like 10 pixel. Okay, that's perfect. Not 10, we can choose like 50, so equal. Now click here, it will be like read more. So from here read more, so just click here and read more. Okay, and icon we can search for long arrow, so use this arrow. Now here icon position, sorry, not this one, icon position right side. Style part, we can go to here center, go to style, and here we can choose background color transparent, and here icon color change to primary color, then padding 0. Okay, then go to here our text transform capitalize, then color change to our text color actually, and font weight we can choose here like 600. Okay, now hover effect, when change color text color, choose change to our primary color. Okay, and here we can choose advanced border. So go to here border solid, only border top, so we can choose here border color. Okay, so go to style, and actually we need now padding now, so here we only top like this. Okay, I think is okay now. Now copy this from here, copy and paste, then we can paste here, paste. Now we need to change our content, so from here heart diseases, so click here, we can search icon for heart, so you use this icon, so insert, then we have this text, then we have this description from here. Okay, then we have our dental care, so copy this line from here, so just search for tooth icon, tooth, we can use this icon, and here paste, then we have this description, so copy description from here, then we have our body surgery, so here we can search for body, body something similar like this we can use for now, this one body surgery, then we have this text, so copy description from here, paste here. Then we have our neurology surgery, that's mean brain. So we can search for brain icon, and here we can paste here. Then we can just copy description from here and paste. Then we have our gynecology. So here we can search for something like bread, this icon, paste here, and this text copy from here and paste here. Okay, that's perfect. We can remove one word from here. Okay, so height is okay. Now click on publish. So change our preview. So our this part is done now. So our next section is our how it works. So like this one. So for this actually maybe we have to change our color. This color is not same. So from here I can pick this color from here. This one. So I can just change color. Okay, fine. Now our next section is similar like this. Okay, so we can duplicate this part and change color here. Maybe this is our BG2 or different color actually. Go to style and change color to this one. Okay, we will change later, no problem. So we can just remove this part and remove all column. Then this one delete. So what color it is, like this one. Okay, so if we apply this color from here, okay, maybe yes, it's changed now. Okay, now we have this text from here, how it works. So copy from this line from here, paste here. Then simple step to get started, copy from here and just paste here. Then we have our this line, then paste here. Okay, and here we can choose size to like 25%. Then duplicate 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we need inner section. So here we can search for another inner section. Okay, so this inner section, first we need a heading. So you can just drag and drop heading, change tag to like span tag. Okay, then we need a heading part. So copy this line from here. So from here we can just add a heading, change tag to H4. Then we have our description part. So copy this line from here, text editor and paste. And here we can choose like step 1. So from here go to style, and here background we can change color to white color. Okay, then here border we can choose solid 1 pixel. We can choose like border color, and here this one layout we can choose center, just a content center. Okay, no problem, we can adjust here. Go to style and advanced, we can choose here like padding 15 pixel. Okay, now click here our step part, one part things we have to hover effect. So border we can choose hover effect, solid 1 pixel, and color change to our primary color. So from here go to advanced, then background change color to our primary color, then style change color to white color. So from advanced we can padding top 5 pixel, bottom 5 pixel, right 20, left 20, and border radius like 15 pixel, 10. Okay, now click here, go to style and element center. Now font size like 22 pixel, 22 is okay I think. Line height like 30 pixel, and font weight like 700. Go to here description, go to element center, and here font weight like 500. Okay, and font size like 16 pixel or 15, 14 is okay, I think. Line height 22 pixel. Now copy this style from here, paste, then again paste, then paste. Now click here, go to step 2, then click here to, then click here, we can choose here like step 4. Okay, so here we can choose this text from here, this heading change to this one, and here our description. So copy this line from here. Okay, our text change, then we have our this text, so copy from here, paste here, and our description part, this description, then we have our this heading, then we have our paste here. Now font size like 16 is okay, I think. 16, yes. So copy this line, paste style, paste style, paste style. Okay, so this part is done. Click on publish. So check here. So this part is done now. So our next part is our testimonial section. So like this, we have to make this one. So for this, after this, we can add a flex box. This one, like this one. Go to advanced and padding like top 80 pixel, bottom 80 pixel. Then go to layout, align item center. Now here inside we can add a container, and container size like 48%. Okay, and repeat this 2, then 3, then 4. So from this parent we can choose to layout to and here we can choose wrap. That's perfect. Now we can inside this one. Okay, now we can search for icon. So icon, only single icon. So just drag and drop here icon. Okay, change text to stack, is stack, yes, and change to quote. So we can use this icon actually. Okay, search for testimonial, testimonial, just paste here. Okay, so our first will be this one. Just copy this from here. So upload image. So for upload image, already we have all images like author 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, fine. Just click on here. So author 1, just his speech, then name and designation. So here name, designation, patient. Okay, so copy from here and paste. Oh sorry, we have simply again remove this part. Just simply copy full container. It will make work easier. Yes, 3, 4. Now we have our second item. So just copy this speech from here. Then our second image. Then here it is paste here. Then here just copy this line from here and just paste, and name will be like patient. Okay. Now here we have this speech, third patient. So copy from here, just click here and speech paste. Then here name like David Robinson. So from here just name patient name and change image to our third image. Okay, and finally we have this one. Copy from here our fourth author image, fourth author. And from here we can just copy her name and paste here. Okay, now go to here our parent, this one, go to style, and here border we can choose solid 1 pixel and border color to border. Okay, advanced here padding 15 pixel. Go to here icon size like, and here space padding 15. Now border radius we can choose here like 9 pixel. Okay, so copy style and paste style, paste style, paste style. Here copy and paste style, paste style, paste style. Now click here, go to style part, image, solid we can choose 2 pixel, 3 pixel we can choose to like primary color, size okay. Now here name is okay I think, and patient title we can choose to our text color, and here name here we can choose to like font size 15 pixel and line height 30 pixel. Okay, here and here go to name, image, text, content. Yes, so content size like now 16 pixel. Okay, I think is okay, and font rate 500. Okay, now copy from here, paste style, then paste style, paste style. So our right side done. For left side, okay, so we can copy this part from here, just here again paste, then here we can copy this here, copy, paste, then here description, just here paste. So it not paste style, actually simply paste. So from here we can this alignment layout tool to our left alignment. So from here patient voices, so change text to patient voices, our excellent in patient care. So just click here and paste, and here we can add a break tag. Then we have this short description, so copy from here and just click here and paste. So here we can font size like small size 35, and here we have used a break. Okay, and go to style, and here line height like 45 pixel, 45 or 40 pixel. Now click here, go to style and alignment left center. Okay, fine. Now click on publish. So check our in our demo in our home page. So after this we have done our testimonial section. So now we will make our counter section like this. So for this after this we can here click on plus icon, flex box, so equal 4 columns, go to style, and here background image. So this image may be our breadcrumb, sorry, upload files. So search for our breadcrumb image, so click on insert, select, then position center, display size, cover. Now go to background overlay and change color to our background primary color. Okay, and from here 0.85 or 0.99 to 95, 9 is okay I think. Okay, go to advanced, and here padding top 50 pixel, bottom 50 pixel. So inside this and add a container, and here I add a icon. So search for only single icon, so icon, and then we can search for counter icon. Okay, then counter. Now go to parent container, go to style and change background color to our primary color, and here go to advanced, padding change to like 15 pixel. Okay, now here our icon color, so here click icon color, change color to our white color, then font size like 25 pixel, 25, and click here, go to style and number, change color to white color. Typography, font size like 20 pixel, 35, font weight 700. And then our number part we can change color to white color. Okay, and from here font weight to 500. That's great. Now click on this 5000 plus satisfied patients. So we can choose icon to users. Okay, this one we can change to like here 5000 plus 5000 plus, then we can this one. So here maybe we can change here to stick, okay, and change our secondary color to our secondary color, and this one to our secondary color, and here color to white color. I think it's more nice. And here border area size 15 pixel. Okay, so copy here, so copy inside full container, then paste, then paste, then paste. Okay, then we have our certified physicians 25 plus. So we can search for doctor something. Yes, this one. Okay, now here patient, then here we can certified physician 25 plus. Okay, so here we can just click here, just write 25 plus patients. Then we have our this one national award. So here we can just write here 12 plus national award, change icon to award icon, insert. Then we have years of experience 15 plus. So just click here, clock icon. Okay, then here insert, and then here we can just write here 15 plus. So just write here 15 plus years of experience. So this is part done. Click on publish. Okay, now our next part is our price section. So for price we can again copy this section from here, this one, copy full section from here and again paste. Okay, so this one is not copy, so I just can duplicate this one. Okay, and move to bottom. So just duplicate this part, and after counter testimonials, and then we have our counter section. Then here this one. Okay, now change color to white color. So from here change our here, go to style, change color to our background color to white color, and from here we can choose here this heading text. Copy this line from here and click here and paste. Then we have our this copy this line from here and just click here and paste. Then here we have this description part. So from here we can just copy this line from here and paste here. Okay, done. Now we have this not need, so you can remove this part and remove other container. Okay, this one, remove this part, and remove this. So from here we have 33, so duplicate 2 times, 1 2 3. So we can search for our price table. So just search here price table. Okay, just drag and drop here. Okay, that's great. So first we have this part, so essential care. So copy this line from here, text, change heading. Then we have this text from here, then paste here description, then H4 tag, and here ribbon. We don't need ribbon here. Okay, then our 5 features. So here 49.99 per month. So from pricing we can choose 49.99, and features we have this this one. So from here we can search for heart, this one, yes, and from here we can remove this. So 2 3 4 5. So from here we can just copy this line from here, then paste. Then we have this one, copy this line from here, then paste. Then here copy this line from here, then paste, and here copy this line from here, then paste. Okay, now here right here get started. So change click button. So from footer we can just write here get started, and don't need this element, so remove this part. Now we have to our style part. So click here, go to here style. So from header background change to our primary color, and from padding we can choose 25 pixel. Okay, from title color is okay. So line height 22 pixel, 24, and we can line height like 40 pixel, so better spacing. After this we have subtitle. We can change font weight to like 500, and here we can increase font size, not here, header, this one 24 to 2030. Okay, now here then we have this part. So from here our pricing, so pricing we have here background color, we can change to our BG2 color. Okay, and from here padding like 25%, 25, 30 pixel, and color change to our primary color. Okay, and size I think all are okay, vertical, left, okay. Then fractional part is okay, I think it's okay, no problem. Monthly color change to our primary color, so move to top to primary. Now we have our features part. So features alignment, left alignment, so color change to our primary color. Then we have our font size to like 500 and font size like 16 pixel. Then we have text transform like capitalize, okay, and change color to our text color. And here padding, spacing like left 15 and right 15, and top 10 to like 15, okay. And here bottom, yes, bottom also 15, I think it's okay. Now click here, go to button, footer part, go to here, background color change to our primary color, so not here, actually it will be like button color, yes. So from here we can choose our background color to our primary color. So typography we can choose text transform capitalize, text transform capitalize, okay. And for hover effect we can choose here background color secondary. That's perfect. Copy here and paste, then paste. So this one we can just copy this from here, just click here, conscious prices, then here short description, then here we can just paste here, then price will be like 199. So from pricing we can choose 199. Then we have this one, so copy this line from here. So from features, then we have this text, so copy from here, change to this one. Then we have this one, so copy this from here, change text. Then we have this one, then we have this one, then finally we have this one. So copy from here and here, just paste, okay. I think we need to our features size. So feature size we can top 10, right 10, okay. And here we can choose here font size like 15 is okay, yes. So copy from here, paste style and paste style, okay. And here we can choose here like family wellness, so just copy this line from here, so just right here family wellness, family wellness, okay. And here I just don't change the text. I hopefully you know how to change text, okay. And from here go to style part and here change to our primary color. And here this part, go to here footer, we can choose here content from ribbon, yes. So ribbon will showcase here, go to style part, then here pricing ribbon, and then here change color to our primary color, okay. That's perfect. And from here button, here from footer we can change color to background color, footer color change to our secondary color, and hover color then change color to our primary color, okay. And from here we can go to style and advanced, we can change here border color like this, So border color, this one will be changed solid 1 pixel. We can change color to like this one, and from here go to advanced and change border, then border solid 1 pixel, then change to primary color, and same design is apply here. Okay, so click on publish, change our update. Okay, so our changes is appear here, so our this part is done nicely. And here this next day appointments maybe here, so here maybe our features part we can write, yes, for this we can this one. So click on publish. Okay, so this part is done. Hopefully you like it. Then we have our next section will be like this one. So our next part is our feature section, core features. So for this I can create a plus icon, and then section we can choose actually this one. Okay, so from here actually we don't need this one. Okay, so here we can choose like for now 35 or 40%, we can adjust later. And here we can size like 60%, and here add container. Okay, so add container, and this size will be like this one, like style width like 48%. Okay, and from here we can choose direction here, this one, and wrap. So duplicate this to total item our 8, so 2, then 3, sorry, this one 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So it's similar like this part, so I just copy from here, and here I can just paste style. Okay, and from here go to style and upload. We can use our hero image. So our hero image, hero BG, actually use here this one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we don't need this one. Okay, so from here we can search for icon box. So our icon box is sorry, here is showcase here. Sorry, again search for icon box. So icon box and drag and drop here. Okay, so from here go to style, left alignment, vertical and middle. Okay, so we don't need content basically. We can just copy this line from here. So from here content we can just here text, and here we can stack and change text to H4, and we don't need any description. Okay, fine. Now here click here, go to style, this layout, go to advanced, and from here we can choose background, background color change to our primary color. Okay, from layout we can choose padding like 15 pixel. Okay, so select this icon, go to style, and icon we can choose as our secondary color. So icon size we can choose like this one, 15. Okay, and here radius like 9 pixel, 7, and here like 20 pixel. Okay, and from 20 we can choose icon here like heart icon, and here we can choose this icon. Okay, and here click icon, go to style and change content and color change to white color. Okay, and here go to icon box, go to advanced, here we can pad into like 10 pixel. Okay, and here border we can choose border radius 15 pixel. Okay, that's perfect. And go to here style, icon box we can content, and hover effect we can choose to like white color. Okay, so copy here and paste this one, then paste 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Okay, so our text will be like this one. So just copy this line from here. So just click here and paste change text, then this one. So copy this line from here paste, then here copy this line from here and paste, then here copy this line from here, then paste, then here this line, so copy this line from here, then paste here, then we have this one, so copy this line from here, click here, then paste, and finally this one, so copy this line from here and click here, then paste. So our this part, and here we can decrease our size now, like we can change to like 30%, I think 30 to 35. So 35, then it will be like 65. Okay, so from here go to our content, we can choose size like 22 pixel, 22 pixel. Okay, and line height like 30 pixel. So just copy style and paste style. Okay, then paste style, paste style, paste style, paste style. Okay, so this is done, and here we can go to here gap 0, gap 0. I think 0 is okay. Yes, 0 is perfect. Now our this section title, so like this one we already have this, so we can just copy this line from here and here paste, then we have this line, copy from here, paste, then we have copy this line from here, paste, and here we have a button. For button we can use this one. Okay, just paste here. Okay, that's fine. So just click here core features, so click here, we can just write here core features, and then from layout we can here align center. So from here we can choose core features of our services. So from here we can just change text to this one, then our description we can just paste here and just write here contact us, contact us, and change icon to our envelope icon. Where is icon? Yes, this one, envelope. So paste here, insert. Now this one, go to layout, and then here element left, so go to style, and then here color, change to white color, then here we can font size like 35 pixel, then 45 pixel, then click here, go to style, then here change to this one, left alignment. Okay, so this part is done. Now click on publish and preview changes. So our this part is done. So then we have our next part, and last for home page is our blog section. So it is a custom blog section, and for this we use Elementor loop builder. Okay, fine. So again I can copy this section, full entire section, and move to bottom, just paste here. Okay, and from here we can just collect text from here, our section title, change, then this text, okay, stay updated with Novena. Okay, then we have our this description, so just click here and paste line. Okay, so we can just remove this part, remove this column, inside this remove, and width to full 100%. Okay, so we need to make our theme builder, so like this design. Okay, so before we start, go to our post. So currently we have don't post, only hello world, so I can remove this part. So from here I just copy this line from here. Here is no this category like this. Okay, so we can just copy this line from here. So 1 2 3 4. So from here just paste here, then from block image, so upload image. So we have block 1 2 3, so I upload all images. So our first image this post, this maybe this one, so okay, so here, so for excerpt, so I can copy this line from here, our excerpt text, add an excerpt, okay, and from category, add category. So for this post category I can use this one. So here add category and new name and add category. So category done, click on publish. Okay, now our second post, so this one. So for this just paste here, then I can copy this excerpt from here. So for this post image will be this one, okay, then add excerpt. So I can create category from here, so this one, patient resource, add category, then add category, click on publish. Okay, then our third post, so this one, so copy this line from here, paste, then our featured image, so featured image will be this one. So from here I can copy our description, sorry, excerpt from here, and here our category name, so this one, billing and insurance. Maybe already we have create two posts, sorry not this one, and here this one, and post and add category, billing and insurance, add category. So our three posts are done. Okay, so three posts are done. Okay, great. Now go to Elementor to Elementor to theme builder. So from here, in time, actually I forgot to name this name. You must give a name here. So just click here. Just here we can search for here like rename. So rename to like footer. Rename this part. Okay, no problem. We can change later. So we go to our loop item. So just click add new. So our loop like this, okay. So from here we don't want any template or default this. So from here we go to here, so just rename this like this post grid, then status change to like publish. Preview settings, yes, is post, okay, with like 400 for preview, and here this one, and query is post, that's perfect. Then here apply settings. Okay, so first we need a section container, so plus icon, flashbox, we section icon. So here go to style and style part, and border we can choose solid 1 pixel and change to our border, and from advanced we don't use any padding. Okay, now use for feature image. Okay, feature image, then we need category. So from here we need a button tag, so just drag and drop button and change to our post terms. So just click here, change text to categories, so we show our categories part. Sorry, actually it's not this way, so we need actually heading, so just need a heading, change to like spend tag, and change here we can change to our post terms, then here we can choose to categories, so it automatically link here. Okay, so here from here go to position, position absolute, okay, and that's perfect. Go to advanced and go to here background color. So from here we can choose background color to our this color. Go to style and change color to white color, and from here advanced we can padding like top 10, bottom 10, right 20, left 20. I think is okay. Now go to style and font size, font weight like 500, font size like 15 pixel, 15, I think 15. Okay. Now inside this we add a container again, container. Okay. Again here we need a post info. So just here post info. So we don't need comments here, only author and your name, like date, author and date. So here show is nicely like full Abdullah Nahian, but here don't show. So just for now I just click on publish. Go to here users, to all users. So I can edit my profile. So from here I can first name like Abdullah, here name Nahian, and display name is Abdullah Nahian. So click on update profile. Okay, now refresh the page. So after refresh the page, from here we go to advanced, and from here padding like 15 pixel. Okay, so click here, go to style and element center, repeater, and here there is space between like 25. Okay, now icon to text color, we can change color to like our primary color, and now font weight like 500. Okay, so in time we can this one refresh the page. So after refresh page, so already just showcase our demo part how it looked like. So at the bottom, from here we can search for loop. So here just here our loop grid. Yes. So from here we can search for our loop name, like post grid. Yes, post grid. Okay, that's great. Now column 3, power item 3. Okay, so currently it looked like this. Okay, that's perfect. And from here we can choose query. From here we can choose here like order, ascending, date, order by random. It looked more better. Okay, click on publish, and here maybe after this here this one container advanced page margin 0. So from here we can go to here like padding top 0. Okay, then we need our post title. So post title change to our h4. Okay, and here post link to our post URL, and here we can choose to like padding right 10 and left 10. Sorry, 10 and here 10. So click here, go to style and change font size to like 22 pixel. Okay, 24, and font weight sorry, line height like 32 pixel or 30 pixel. And go to here hover effect, we can change to hover effect, change color to our primary secondary color. Okay, now we need our post excerpt. So just here excerpt. Now we need first need our button part. So from here we can add a button. So button only, yes, like this. So here we can just right here read more and change icon to arrow. That means our long arrow, this one, and position right. Okay, and go to style and change here. We can choose font size like 17 pixel, and here text transform like capitalize. Okay, then here we can choose our primary color, and hover color change to our secondary color. So from here we can choose 15 pixel. Okay, now I think it's okay now. So just click on publish. One thing, from button we can link change to post URL. So click on publish. refresh the page. So at the bottom and check our, yes, so this part is nicely done now, and hopefully in bottom part maybe, yes, so bottom we can add 30 pixel. I think it's look better now. Refresh the page. Yes, so all this part is done now perfectly, and we have hover effect, single page link, everything perfect. So our home page is done now. So from next part we'll start our about services other page. So after we complete our home page, so move to our about us page. So just click on about us page. So you have nothing else. So if you check our this part about us page, so we have breadcrumb and all parts from our home page. So we have no have to more work. So first go to our click on edit page and click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so it's called breadcrumb is and need all pages. So from here go to our page settings, and here we can choose default layout to Elementor full width. Now click on plus icon, then flexbox and this icon, and here go to style and change background image. So upload files. So for image we have a breadcrumb image, this one. Oh sorry, actually uploaded. So we can upload, just click on select. Now here position center, display size, cover. Now go to background overlay. From here color change to our primary color and opacity like 0.85. Okay, now from here we need a heading part. Okay, change tag to H4, and from here we can change here like post title. So our name will be automated. Yes, about check here. Now we can search for icon list. So icon list here. Now this one we can go to layout. From here we can choose align center, yes, and from here advanced we can advanced here padding top like 60 pixel, bottom 60. So from here go to style and change color to white color, and from here advanced we can style, and here font size like 30 pixel or sometimes similar like this, or 30, and font weight like 700. I think 35 is okay, yes. Now click here, go to here inline center, then here inline, then here we can just write here home. Okay, here no need icon and link to our post URL, not URL, site URL, that means our main site link. Then here we don't need here, just search for dot icon, dot and this icon. Okay, click on insert, and here remove this text, and from here we can remove this text from here, and here we can just write here like post, not URL, actually this one, so post title. Okay, so just click at style and go to icon, change color to our white color. So change color to white color, then we have text, change color to our white color. Okay, and font weight we can change to 500. Okay, so that's perfect. Yes, maybe we have to increase size more, so here like 40 pixel is okay, I think. Now click on publish. Okay, and we can increase our padding top bottom, so this section, so top 70 and bottom 70. Okay, and here we can just save as template. So name this as breadcrumb. So breadcrumb, then here save. Okay, after save, okay, then publish. Okay, then we have need all this part. So from home page again we can go to here. Now right click, save as template. So right click, save as template, and we can name as about. Okay, save about. Then we need our this counter section. So here after this we can just save our this counter section because we have to use this. So right click and then save as template. So rename this like counter. and save. Then we need our testimonials part. So these testimonials, so just right click and save as template. Testimonials. Okay, so from here we can just has template as insert about. Then we have our this counter section. So from templates we can simply counter insert. Then we can insert our testimonials. Our testimonials, yes, this one, click on insert. Okay, click on publish. Now preview changes. So our about page is done now. Yes, our about page is done. So from next we have our services. So if you check our demo part, our demo site, so services is service section and these core features and testimonials. So from home page, then we can testimonials already added. So we can just right click and save as template. Right here like services, save. Then we need our this feature section, maybe something, yes, this one. Right click and save as template. Right click, yes, features, save. So here just click on edit page. Now click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so from page settings we can change to page layout to Elementor full width. Now here templates, and from templates we can insert our breadcrumbs part. So from here our breadcrumbs. So from breadcrumbs just insert here. Okay, then we need our services. So from here just click on plus icon and all services insert here. So from here we have all services. Services insert, then our features and testimonials. So this column no need, so I can just remove this part. Yes, now here we can start. Now we need to insert our features. So from features I can just insert here. Okay, and finally for this our testimonials. So click on insert. Okay, so just click on publish. Preview changes. So I can remove our home page. So this page is done now. Okay, so our next part is our doctor section. So for doctors we have full dynamic because there are two parts, doctor short information as loop, and if you click here then we have show our view details page like this. So for this we use ACF Pro version and CPT. Okay, so for this I can services here medical services, doctors. Okay, so from here first I go to here API ACF to post type. So we create new post type. So we name this like all doctors. Okay, and singular name like all doctor. Okay, then singular auto generate, then testimony no need, and advanced configuration. So title need, author, comments, excerpt, maybe we have excerpt. No, yes, we have actually excerpt. So we need excerpt part, editor no need, feature image, custom fields needs. Okay, and from here labels, visibility, here no need to change. I think by default we can choose this one as icon. Then URLs, permissions, everything okay. So just click on save changes. So we have a create new menu like all doctors, and here you can change and create add new doctor.
So here exact only feature image, but we need a few options. So feature image means this image, title means his name, and his this one. So from here we can like here like is called is designation, then exact, and his contact information, and features and form. Okay, 4 part. So from here go to our field groups, add new. So we can same names like all doctors. Okay, and here is important why it show here. So post type is equal to all doctor. Yes, this one. So just click on save changes, and if you refresh the page, so here we have a new option. Yes, all doctor showcase here. Okay, maybe we can from post type edit, and here we can uncheck this one exact because we use ACF fields. Okay, so here is all will be dynamic. So from here first we need a label, so tab, so we can search for tab. So tab will be like general. Okay, so first general tab will like this name will be designation, and then will be short description. Okay, so from here add field, so doctor designation. Okay, then we can use another one, doctor description, so we can use text area. Automatic field name is very important. Remind this, without this it cannot work. So here is field name ensure because it is always auto generated. Can short description. Then we have like this contact and features. And here anything else? No. So here's name, short description. Okay. So after this we can duplicate this tab and move to bottom. So here like name is features. Okay, so from features here's like specialty, then experience, working days, visiting hours, 4 columns. Okay, so just right here like specialty. So from here, so you could test like doctor specialty auto generated. Okay, fine. Then doctor experience, so copy this line from here, then another one, so doctor experience. Okay, fine. Then we have like doctor working days, so duplicate this one, and doctor experience. Then we have visiting hours, so from here we can just write add field, so here doctor. Okay, fine. Visiting hours, no extra hyphen. Okay, fine. Check all ID. Sorry, extra space is the problem. No extra space, and here. Okay, and here. Okay, fine. So if it save changes, create add new doctor. So general features. Okay, and click on features. Doctor, yes, nicely showcase here. So here after this, if you here contact information, 4 field, address, email, phone, and appointment type. Okay, so we can duplicate this, and here after this we can add here like features, sorry, contact. Okay, so here we can just doctor address, we can use as text area. Okay, then doctor phone, email or phone. Okay, no problem, doctor email, then doctor phone, then doctor appointment. Okay, fine. So all done. Okay, here is experience. Here is the problem, space. We can this one. Then we have anyone specialty high underscore, no one. Okay, just click on save changes. Just refresh the page. Okay, so general features contact is done. So now we have to create all doctors one by one. So we can create this one. So I can remove this part. So basically 1 doctor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So name. So I just really name here. Just set feature image. All doctor 5 and 6. So our first doctor will be this one. Okay, then general doctor designation. From here I can just copy here like senior consultant. And doctor description, for now I can just copy a single one, this one. Okay, so from here I just paste here, then paste here, then paste, then paste, and then paste, then paste, and sorry, 682. Okay, now senior consultant and features, specialty. So like for here, cardiac medicine, experience like 15 plus years, 15 plus years experience. Okay, working days. So just copy this slide from here. Visiting hour. Okay, so now contact. So contact address. So for now I just can use this address here. Then here phone number, just david@example.com. Then we have our this one phone number, and like this one. Copy this one from here and paste. So our first item done. Just click on publish. This publish and this publish because we have to refresh the page. Okay, so our second doctor will be like this one, Emma Roberts. So image Emma Roberts, yes. Then here features, like cardiac medicine, doctor experience. We can choose here like 12 plus, like Saturday and Wednesday, for example. We can use here. Visiting hour 4 to 5. Then contact, we can use this address here. For now I use common address. You can change everything as you wish, no problem, because fully it is dynamic. So address here, doctor email, phone, and here apartment. For now we can use this one. And here designation consultant, for example. Then here I can just put here address, this one. Now here we can like senior doctor, for example. Then email, then phone, then appointment. Okay, and just consultant, for example, and features. Okay, for contact. And here this. Okay, so one by one. So just general is Dr. Emma Roberts. Okay, just copy here and just paste here. Emma Roberts is a features. From features, okay, 12 plus. Okay, and contact, we can just write here Emma. Okay, and here we can choose like 2, for example, and just click on publish, update. Okay, oh sorry, not name, this one, senior consultant. Okay, now here name will be like our third doctor. This one. So here just paste here orthopedic surgeon, then here name and paste here. Okay, then feature image, our third one, this will be this one. Okay, features like this one, we can here 12 years for now and paste here. Then contact, maybe his, we can use contact as this part. So for name like Johnson, and like font like remain same, appointment. Okay, so click on update. Check how many doctors are we added done. So 3 done. Now this one, like here we have this one doctors, like our 4th doctor Oliver Martinez, neurologist, just paste here. And here general, just paste here, just her name, and here paste here, and change image to like our this one to our 4th item, 4th doctor, and features like this one. And here doctor experience, we can choose like 5+ years experience, this number, and here number. Contact, yes. So click on update. Now we have our 5th doctor, David Olson. David Olson is a gynecologist, and features. Okay, features like this one, 15+ working days. Then here this one. Okay, contact, we can this one like Olson. Okay, just click on update. So we have missed our image. Okay, so this will be our 5th doctor. So this set feature image, update. Okay, and finally our last doctor will be Dr. William Harris, ENT specialist. Dr. Harris, features like this one, 15, then working days, Saturday, then this one, then contact like we can just name change to Harris, and feature image like our 6th image. So from here we can choose this one, set feature image, click on publish. So our all doctors set done. Okay, now we have to create this page. So if you go to our site, click on doctors. Okay, so just click on edit page, edit with Elementor. Okay, so from page settings we can choose here page layout to Elementor full width. From temp we can choose here our breadcrumbs part. So we don't have to any extra work. So from breadcrumb and click on insert. Okay, now just click on publish. So for doctors we need to make a grid system. So here go to Elementor theme builder. Okay, so from here loop item, so we can just click add new. So we don't need any ready-made template. So from here we can just rename to like doctors grid. So from here draft to publish. From query we chose preview settings, we can choose to like all doctor. And so from here which doctor, like David Wilson, so we can search for David David Wilson, maybe David Wilson, yes. Maybe multiple David Wilson, okay, no problem. Now go to here, okay, apply and preview. So our layout look like this, okay. So from here, go to plus icon, flexbox, direction column, okay. Go to style and change our background color to our busy one, okay. Padding change to like 15 pixel, okay. And go to our style, and from here border we can choose border radius 15 pixel. Now, another things, we need a border solid 1 pixel and border color border. So from here, first we have feature image, okay, this one, here anything else, feature image, and this one large to full. Go to style and width 100%, and from here border radius like 15 pixel, okay. Now we can search for post title, yes, change tag to h4, and here tag to post URL. Then we have need our post another heading, change text to like span, and here tag to like, from here at the bottom ACF field. So click here again. Now key doctor designation, okay, that's great. Now we need a button part, so from here we can choose button. Where is button? This one, okay. So click here, go to style, element center, so font size like 22 pixel, 24, 26 is okay, I think. Go to hover effect, we can change color to our secondary color. Now this gynecologist, alignment center, okay, font weight like 500, and from advanced and margin top like 10 pixel. Go to style, button right here red mode, okay. Go to style, alignment center, and font weight 500, okay. Test color transparent, then here padding 0, then color change to our primary color, and from here hover we can choose here secondary color, and then from here text transform capitalize, okay, okay. And here anything missing, sorry, view details will be not read mode, it will be view details, okay. And link to our single link, so means post URL, and from here go to advanced, border solid only, border top 1 pixel, and color change to like our border color. So from here style button, padding top 10 and bottom 20, okay. So just click on publish. So let's check our what happened here. So here again refresh the page. So after refresh page we can search for loop grid, so drag and drop here. So from here we can post, okay, and here just search for doctor grid, okay, column 3, that's mean, and from here query we change to source post to all doctors, okay. Now here we can search for ascending, okay, that's perfect. So go to here advanced, and here padding top like 80 pixel, bottom 80 pixel, and this part, okay, and single is done. Now click on publish, preview page. So our doctor page is done now. So okay, now we have to start our single page. So that's mean when click on this one, so our single doctor page need, okay. So edit doctor no need, grid no need, okay. So click here view details, but it look plain. So for this again go to theme builder, as it is CPT, that means custom post type, so we have to choose single post, So click on add new. Okay, so no templates. So from here page settings, we can rename this to like doctor single, then publish. Then preview settings, we can change here single all doctor, and like David Wilson, we can choose here like this one. Apply and preview. So from templates we can choose here our breadcrumb templates. So just we can pick our breadcrumb. Just click on insert, publish, and add condition. So all singular, there's been not all singular, it is actually all doctors. So just click on save and close, publish. Okay, refresh the page. Okay, so our single is okay now. Now we have to design like this. So basically we have this part. So from here we can choose here flex box. We can choose this one. So go to advanced. So padding top like 80 pixel and bottom like 30 pixel. So first we need our featured image. So just drag and drop here. Go to style and width 100%. Okay, and from here we can choose border radius 15 pixel. And here we can choose border type solid 3 pixel, this one. Now we have this our this one. So from here go to, we can add a heading. So from here we can change to span tag. So tag change to our ACF field, and then click here. We can choose for doctor designation, yes. Okay, designation showcase here. Then his or her name, that means post title. Okay, then description. So for this we can search for text area, text editor. Okay, and from here we can choose ACF field, and from here we can check here description. Okay, then we have this part like icon box. So for this we can add a container. Then inside this add a container. So we'll change to like 48% and change to like 2, 3, 4, and from here we can choose this one and flex wrap. Okay, great. Now we need icon box. So search for icon box. So here first icon like specialty, something like this. So we can search for specialty, this icon. Okay, stack, then style, left, vertical, middle. So just write here specialty. From content we can change tag to our H4 tag and just write here specialty, and from here we can choose ACF field. So here we can change to like doctor specialty. Okay, fine. Now we have to change our design. So go to this here, go to style, advanced, and from here border we can choose solid 1 pixel and border color border. From layout we can choose padding 15 pixel. So click on icon box, style, icon size 15 pixel. Okay, and now go to content. From box we can choose icon spacing like 10 and content spacing like 5. Then we have to go to content. From font size specialty, okay, like 16 pixel. And now go to this one, we can choose font size like 700. Okay, and font size like 18 and weight like 600. Okay, I think it's okay now. So just copy him here and paste, then paste, then paste. So from this container we can here row and column gap 0. Okay, and from this main container we can go to advanced and padding 0. Okay, that's perfect. Now here experience, so experience will be like calendar. So from here we can search for calendar icon, calendar, this icon. So you can just search experience and we can change to ACF field experience. Okay, now we have this one working days. So we can search for working days will be like another calendar, birthday, this one. So from here we can choose here working days. Then we have visiting hours, that means clock. So here just click here, we can just write here like clock icon, clock, and insert, and from here we can just write here visiting hours, and from here we can choose here like visiting hour. Okay, so from here we have to decrease our size. So from here content we can change to like 14, and from here this one we can change to like 16. So right click, copy style and paste style, paste style and paste style. So our this part done, and click here, we have to this one, go to advanced, background. So from here we can choose background color to primary color. Then here this one we can go to layout, items left. Okay, that's great. Go to style, we can change color to white color, and here advanced part we can choose padding top 10, bottom 10, right 20, left 20, and from here border we can choose 15 pixel border radius. Okay, so from here go to, we can change color to our secondary is okay, and font weight like 700, and font size like 22 pixel, 22 30, and from here go to style, we can choose to like font weight 500, font size like 17 pixel, and line height like 27 pixel. Okay, so this part is done. So we have bottom, we have contact and form part. So from this we can just again click here plus icon, we can choose this item. So here these items and this item. So from here we can add a container, and which image, our hero image. So from here go to style, background image, we can choose here our hero, hero image, hero GG. Then position, background position, center, display size, cover. Okay, and here go to advanced and padding like 15 pixel, and from here we go to style and add overlay. So background overlay, options, we can change color to our primary color, and opacity like 0.85. Okay, so we can add a heading like change to contact me. So go to style and change color, change to white color. Okay, and font weight we can choose here like 700, cc is okay. Now we have need icon box, so search for icon box. Okay, so stack, style, left, vertical and middle. So we can just write here address. So just write here, we can search for map icon, map. So just write here map marker icon. Then we can just write here address, and from here we can change to our ACF field, which key we can choose like doctor address. So doctor address is showcased here, nice. Now go to style part, and from here icon. So icon we can change color to our primary color, and font size like this one. Okay, and radius like this one, 9 pixel. Okay, now go to content, and from color change to white color. Text transform uppercase, yes. Okay, and font size now go to this one, change color, and from here we can box, we can choose this one to like 5 and here like 10. So from content we go to here, font weight like 600, font size like 15 pixel, 17. Okay, and from box we can increase more. Okay, so from here icon content, so from here hover we can change to color, hover color change to white color. Okay, so duplicate this part 2 times and 3 times. So icon we can just write here envelope icon, envelope, just click on insert. Okay, and just write here email, and from here ACF field we can choose here like email. Just click here, we can search for font icon, insert, and click here, we can font. Okay, and here we can change text to font icon. Okay, now we have this button. So for this, after this we can search for button, this one. Okay, so go to style, we can here this full width. Go to content, we can change text to our ACF field. From here we can choose here key to doctor appointment, this button. Okay, go to style, and we can change our color to light color, so we can secondary color. Yes, now here we can font weight to like 600, and here font border radius like 9 pixel. Okay, that's great. And from here we can increase more padding, so currently 15, I to like 25. Okay, that's perfect. Now we have this form part, so search for form, Elementor Pro default form, so we can use this one. Okay, so from here this container, go to style, we can use background color to our busy one, actually not busy, busy 2, and here border we can choose solid 1 pixel and border color, and advanced we can choose padding like 15 pixel. Okay, from layout, so just click here this icon, font we can add here like font. So from font we can search here like tell, so just write here font. Okay, now smooth size small is okay. Button show label required but no need. Go to style part. Okay, so from style part column gap, row gap we can increase more 15, label spacing like 510. Typography we can choose to like 500 or 600. Okay, now here HTML field spacing 5 is okay. Now field our text color, background color is okay, so we can choose background color to our border color. Okay, that's great. Now our button color, so button color we can choose to our ear color, button background color, this one. Okay, and hover effect we can choose to background color to our secondary color, and this one element left or left position. Yes, that's great. And another important things here, where this form goes, so message steps now contact. So here if you check action after submit, okay, collect email submission, email, and which is called, okay, that's perfect. Now here email, which email then is go, so by default is my email, so we want every email means this email. So for this we can dynamic text. From here ACF fields, then click here settings key field, we can choose doctor email. So every email now go to with this email, each doctor email. So click on publish. Now refresh the page. Okay, that's great. So our this part is fully dynamic, and here we can here advanced, and here padding bottom 80. Yes, now it's okay, perfect. Now refresh the page. Okay, now click on again doctors. Okay, if you view details, so each doctor with their separate information, like this one Emma Roberts, this one, then Johnson, everything is fully dynamic now. So now we will make our department page. So department page is like we have like few departments like dental care, general surgery, immunology, neurosurgery, etc., and with their details page like this one. So let's start. So for start this, we have to again go to ACF and post type. So we can remove this one and just add new. So our name will be like all departments. Okay, and single name like all department. Post key. Okay, then we have advanced configuration. We don't need editor. Okay, perfect. Click on save changes. So we have a new option, all departments. Okay, fine. Now we have to create our all field group. So from here, add new. We same name this like all departments. Okay. So what need actually departments? So here we can check name, short description and long description. Okay. Then we have our three features like words, beds, doctors, contact information and gallery. Okay. So from here again from previous doctor we can just write here like tab. So we can name this like general. Okay. So first will be like department, which will be department short description. Okay, it will be like our text area. Okay, then we can add a one which is called our Wishi editor. Wishi, this one, department description. Okay, and field. So our this is done. Okay, department short description is not perfectly okay here. Yes, now it's okay. Basically this is our short ID. Now here after this here we have like our features. So we can remove this part, duplicate. So here at the mob, so we can rename this like contact. Okay, same like our department address form. Okay, so from here contact is okay. So department address. Okay, then we have like department email or phone. Email, then department phone, then we have department appointment. Okay, so this part done. Now after this we can duplicate this one. So we can rename this like features. Features. Okay, so first have we have our like department wards, how many wards, how many beds, how many doctors. Okay, fine. So department wards, this one. Then we have department beds, how many beds. Then we have department how many doctors. Okay, and finally we have department gallery. So for this we can search for gallery, this one, and department gallery. Okay, so edit this part. So all done, just click on save changes. Now go to our all departments. So basically we have 6 departments. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. So first I pick all name like our dental care. So copy this name from here. Oh sorry, actually basically the problem is again go to settings to our field groups. Then here all departments. Here we need to assign which post type is post type all department. Yes. Now click on save changes. Now refresh the page. All page refresh. Okay, so from here we can just here like dental care, name dental care and short description. Okay, short description, then feature image, upload files. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, so you can just upload all images. So our first image will be this one. Okay, so for now I just click on publish. Now general surgery, short description, then we have feature image, this one. Okay, click on publish. Then we have our third one, emoji, short description from here. Just paste here, this one, and click publish. Then we have our fourth, neurology surgery. Then we have our this one from here. We can just copy from here, short description, this one, and click on publish. Then this one, copy this from here, and our short description from here, and department image will be this one. Okay, click on publish. And finally we have this eye care. Okay, then short description, then our feature image, this one. Okay, so for long description we can just copy this text from here again, so just paste here. Okay, then here I again paste, then paste the description, then here paste description, then here paste description, then here paste description. So make dynamic. So just here dental care. Okay, so I just change department name for check our is working or not. So just copy from here, paste here, this one, and we have just copy this one, paste here, and here this one, eye care, and paste here. Sorry, we have to put this here, actually this one. Okay, so one by one. So here content, department address. So for now we can just pick here. So for promotion proper, so we can just write here like third floor, for example. Okay, and this will be, we can write here like fourth floor. Then this one we can get to contact. So here like fifth floor. Then this one we can write here like sixth. FL double floor, and then we have like this one like 7th floor. Okay, it's not a big deal. So here we have a email part, so info. So we can just general email from all, this one, this one, and this one, this one. It will be like 8. Okay, now our phone number. So again, just put phone number. All same, all are dynamic actually. If you change font, every page show is correct phone number, email address, everything, no problem. And from here we have this text for now, so we can just paste here, just paste here, then paste, then paste, then paste. So here our general part done, then our contact done. Now our features done. Sorry, features will be like our 5 words. Here how it looked like. Yes, 5 words like 20 beds and doctor like 7. Okay, for gallery we can use similar all department images for now. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Select, then click on update. Okay, now this one features like how many words, like 5 words, 30 beds, 12 doctors, and gallery image we can use same, this one. Okay, click on update. Then we have these features, like we have 3 words, bed 21, doctors 4, and here we can use 5th gallery image, this one for example. Now click on update. Okay, now we have these features. So like we have 5 words, like 29 beds, 6 doctors, and from gallery we can use this one, update. Okay, fine. Now then we have these features, like it says 8 words, 60 beds, 20 doctors, this image. Click on update. Now finally this one features, like we have our 4 words, 30 beds, and doctor will be like 10. All are dummy purpose. So add to gallery we can change text like 1 2 3 4, this one. Okay, just click on select, just click on update, publish. Okay, so all added, done. If you click here all departments from here, and we can showcase here our department, all departments showcase here, and added, done, perfect. So already we add all departments, so it's time to department page. So go to our front page, and from front page we move to our departments. So currently it's not anything, so just click on edit page, then click here edit with Elementor. Okay, fine. So from here page settings we can change to page layout to our Elementor full width, and then we need our breadcrumbs part. So first click here templates. So actually our templates, again click here. So from here we can just insert our breadcrumb. Okay, that's great. Now we need to our this loop. From here go to Elementor, Elementor to theme builder. So from here loop item, add new. Okay, and not need here. So from here go to your page settings, general settings, to right here like departments grid. Okay, status to change to our published. Preview settings we can change to like all department. Okay, and which department we can change, like dental care. So search for dental care for preview. Okay, and query yes, is okay. Now click here apply and preview. So it looks like our full screen here. Okay, so from here plus icon we can flex box, full screen. And here style, go to here background color, change to our BG1. Okay, from here border we can choose solid 1 pixel, we can choose to border 1 pixel. And here advanced we can change to padding 0. Okay, fine. Now we can add our feature image, and here go to style and width to 100%. Okay, great. Now here we can add a container from here. Okay, container, go to here, add padding, right 15, bottom 30, left 15. Okay, okay, right 15. Now here we can add our post title, change tag to h4, and post link to post URL. Now we need our short description. So for here we can add text editor. From here we can choose here ACF field, and here click here. From here settings we can choose here like our department short descriptions, and here button read more or view details. Okay, it showcase here. Now we need our button part. So from here button. Okay, so just write here read more. Okay, fine. And here go to style, we can change color to our primary color. Okay, over state we can change to color to our secondary color. And from here we can change text transform capitalize. So from here go to here font size 22 pixel 24, font weight 700, and click here, go to style, and here we can choose font size 70 pixel and font weight like 500. Okay, fine. I think it's okay. And hide this panel. Yes, I think it's okay. Now click on publish. Okay, now click on publish this department page, and again refresh. Okay, now again search for loop grid. So again drag and drop our loop grid. So from here query we can choose to all departments. Okay, so from layout okay, and we can search for department grid. Okay, so 3 items 6. Okay, that's perfect. And equal height on. Yes, I think is okay. From here maybe we can too much padding. So from here go to advanced. Sorry, here this section container, this one I think 20 is okay. Now click on publish. Now this part okay, I think is okay. Now here again refresh the page. Okay, one thing we maybe forget, because this button had to our link. For link we can change to our post URL, and this one content post URL. That's perfect. Click on publish. Okay, now preview the page. Okay, and from here we can choose like padding top 80 pixel, bottom 80 pixel. Now click on publish. Now refresh the page. Okay, that's perfect. It's perfectly working now. Okay, so equal height, yes, is equal height, properly working now. Okay, now if we click here single page, just click on this button. So this is our basic page. We have to design now this page. Now again go to our theme builder. So our single post, so click on add new. So here we can just here from here page settings to department single, page name department single. Okay, stairs to our published, and preview settings I can change here like all departments. Okay, and I care, yes, this one, apply and preview. So from here we can choose here first our breadcrumbs part. So from templates we can choose here our breadcrumb. Okay, click on publish and add condition, or not all singular, all department actually. So click on save and close, and now refresh the page. Meta refresh. Okay, it's perfectly now we have to this part. So dental care, eye care. Okay, so you have to first click here plus icon. We can choose here these items. Go to advanced and padding top 80 pixel, bottom 80 pixel, and from layout align item center. So from here we can choose here feature image and like this design. Okay, so go to style with 100%. And go to here default to solid 3 pixel and change color to our primary color, radius 50 pixel. Now we have to this our heading. So for this we can search for post title. Then we have our description. So for this we can add text editor part, and from here we can choose ACF field and then click here. We can choose department descriptions part. Okay, that's great. Now we have this part. So for this we have to add a container. Okay, so inside container we have like icon this one. So for this we can need another container, and each container size like 31%. Okay, so duplicate this part, duplicate this one. So from here parent we can choose direction, column, row, and flex wrap. So for this we need a icon. So first we need a icon. So search for icon, single icon. Then we can search for our counter. Okay, so our design like this. So just click here, go to change to our stack, go to style and font size, icon size like 15-16 pixel, and radius like something like this, like 9 pixel. Okay, and from here go to here advanced, padding like 15 pixel, and here go to style, change border color solid, then border with 1 pixel, border color border. Okay, now here number need to dynamic. So from here we can just keep this text building icon. So just click here, then go to content and search for building icon, this icon, insert. Then here we can just click here number, change number field. So from here go to ACF number field, click here, and from here maybe sorry not starting number, maybe ending number field, maybe something wrong here. What's the problem here? Maybe we need to change our field. Again I refresh the page. Okay, just click here. Maybe we have to change our field. So go to our fields group, all departments, and here number of words, beds and doctors. Sorry, just expand this part, and here number department words, field text, field level. Yes, it's to text field. So what's the problem actually? Okay, so problem is we have to change this to our number field as a number. So I can just change, and this one then our beds. So I change to text to our number field. Then doctors change to our number. Okay, click on save changes. Again refresh the page. Okay, now here we can just click here this one, go to here number. So here advanced, yes, it's called now. So number department words. So it's words number, I think is okay now. Yes, now here we have a prefix, just no prefix, just right here words. So from go to style, Okay, so here go to style part, then number section, font weight we can change to like 700 and font size like 35, 40, 45, 40 is okay I think. And from here title we can change color to our primary color. Okay, font weight we can choose to 700. Okay, now copy this one and paste, then paste, then copy here, then we can paste here and paste here. So then we have our bed icon. Search for bed, this icon, and click here. We can search for beds. Okay, and change text to our beds. Okay, then we have our doctors. So from here we can just click here and just search for user. So from user we can choose this icon. Okay, then here we can just click here, then here click change text to our doctors, and here this one. Okay, now copy this style from here, copy and paste style and paste style. So all this part is done now. And from here go to style, you can need to change this element 700 like 30 pixel. Okay, now click here, I think it's okay. Now here the bottom part. So for bottom part we can click here again, this one we can choose like this one. So from this part you can do advanced, we bottom like 30. Okay, and from this column we can here like bottom padding top 0, bottom 80. So inside we can add a container. So inside container, so like previous, go to style, and here background we can choose image. We can choose our hero image, so hero BG. So from here we can choose position, position center, display size cover. Okay, and then background overlay we can change background color to our primary color, and opacity like 0.85, and go to advanced we can choose padding like 25 pixel. Okay, now here contact us will be this one. So here we can just add a heading, contact us, as it is department. So change text to H4. Okay, style, change color to white color. Okay, now we can search for icon box. So here drag and drop this icon here after this heading. So go to stack, style, left align, vertical and middle. So from here content we can just write here map marker, map. Okay, then here we can just write here address, and from here we can choose here ACF field, then click here department address. Okay, now go to style and change here icon position to 10, and here this position to like 5. Go to icon, change color to secondary color, and here this one. Now go to content, we can choose 600. Okay, and change color to white color, hover color white, text transform uppercase, font size like 14 pixel. Okay, now here our address, color change to white color, font weight like 600, and font size like 17 pixel. I think is okay now. So duplicate this part, duplicate. Okay, so from here we can change to like email, sorry, envelope. Just click here, and here envelope, email, then click here, change text to department email. Okay, fine. Now click here, change text to like font icon, change to font icon here, and here right here font, and from here change our field to department font. Okay, now need a button. So from here we can just drag and drop here button here. So go to style, alignment, justify, then here font weight 600 I think, go to content, go to here, text change to our ACF field. We can change here like department appointment. Yes, go to style, change color to our primary color. Okay, and when hover, change color to our secondary color. Okay, now this is perfect. Now for our gallery part, so from gallery, just search for gallery widget, basic gallery. Okay, so from here we can choose ACF gallery field, click here, and our ID department gallery. Okay, it showcased nicely, and from here we can choose here like 3 column, then here full size, light box, yes, go to style, gap custom, and here border solid 3 pixel we can choose as our primary color. So this part is done. Now click on publish. So from here we go to department space. Okay, for example we can IKEA this one we can check for all seems okay or not. So IKEA, yes, IKEA content is showcased here like this one. Okay, then here you can change content, everything will be update immediately. Okay, so our this part done, department part is okay. So our department done. Now move to our blog page. Okay, so for blog page design we go to again Elementor to our theme builder. Then we can search for our archive page, so click on add new. Okay, so no template need actually. So from here first we need to add our breadcrumb part. So here we can choose our breadcrumb, insert. Okay, so from here we don't need post title, just right here blocks and click here, change post title to our blocks part. Okay, okay, now click on save display condition, so add condition or all archive, yes, so save and close. Now if you refresh the page, blog page, okay, so if you check our this part is okay now, yes, so blog page is okay now. So if you remember for home page we make a loop grid, so this loop is here, so just for is search for loop grid, drag and drop here. So from here we can search for post grid. Okay, now go to here advanced, and right here like top 80 pixel, bottom 80 pixel. Okay, that's perfect. And here this one we can choose equal height, yes. Now click on publish. Okay, now refresh the page, so our blog page is okay now. So when you click read more button, that means a single button. Okay, so what happened if you check our demo site, what they did. So here if you click here any post, so basically our blog post, so like this one. So here actually we don't any content, so we can copy this content from here. Okay, and here we can go to post, which post, maybe this one we can edit. Okay, just paste here and save. Okay, and we can just write here like blog archive. Okay, so click on publish. Now go to Elementor to theme builder again. So again choose our single post, so click on add new. Okay, so from here first we choose our page template to our breadcrumb part, so common breadcrumb, so just click on insert. Sorry, which page we belong actually? Theme builder. Now go to our single post. Elementor single post. Yes, we can edit this page. Okay, so from here we can go to templates part. So we can actually insert this one, breadcrumbs. So actually here may be a problem. We have to these settings. Okay, now from here we can click on plus icon. We can choose this layout. So from here we can move to like 20%, and this one we can change to like 20%. And from this container, go to advanced. We can choose padding top 80 pixel, bottom 80 pixel. So first we need our feature image. So for feature image we can search for, and here we can just write here single post and publish and preview settings. Okay, post, and here understanding this post. Yes, apply and preview. Okay, so first we need our featured image. So just featured image, go to style part with 100%. Okay, that's nice. Now we need our heading. So for this we can search for our post title. Then we need our meta. So search for our post meta, post info actually, post info. So we don't need comments. We need actually author name, date, time, comments. Okay, fine. We can add a one, which is our categories. So we can search for terms and choose like categories. Okay, and before we can add categories. Okay, categories here I think, or we can just no need to this one. Okay, fine. And here we can move to like 50%. This one 50 like 70%. I think 60 is okay. Yes, 60 okay. Then this will be like 20%, and this will be like 20%. That's perfect. Now here after this we have post content. So from here we can search for post content. Yes, post content showcase here. Now we need our this one, which is previous next. So from previous post next content, post navigation. Okay, the previous post next, so here that's perfect. Now here our this author box. So from here author box. Okay, we can just paste here. So here only name show, but this for biography is not added yet. So I just click on publish, click add singular, or not all singular, it will be like post all singular. Okay, now go to here users to all users. Now click here edit. Okay, now here we can just paste our biographical info and update profile. Now edit this post. Okay, yes, it's showcase now. Now it's time to our design part. So go to here, change text tag to h4, go to style. We can choose like font size 30 pixel. Okay, line height will be 40. Okay, fine. And font weight like 700. Yes. This one, go to here, go to style. We can alignment center, space between. We can increase more. 20 is okay. Divider on. Then icon color is okay. Text color we can change to our primary color, and font weight like 500. And this one is okay, I think. Click here, our post previous navigation. Post title we can change color to our primary color, and you can eat here font weight 600. Okay, fine. Now this part, so go to here advanced, and here we can go to border, border solid 1 pixel, and border color change to our border color, and layout we can choose 15 pixel. Okay, now click here, go to content, and here align center and vertical align. Okay, this one. Okay, here is any option vertical and middle. Yes, this one. So go to here content, picture size we can choose like 60 pixel. I think is okay. Okay, 300 default is okay. All post, active button if you want archive button, yes, this one. Now go to style part and image size. Okay, image size, radius, border we can choose here like our secondary color. Okay, 3 pixel. Now go to author. So from here we can change color to primary color, and biography is okay. Now button. So button text color we can change to our white color, and background color to our primary color. Okay, that's great. So this part is done. Now click on publish. Preview changes. Okay, so our single post is done now. Oh sorry, actually this post has no content, there's a problem. So from here we have to go to post. We can this post preview because this post we have content part. Okay, so our blog with single post is done now. Now go to our contact us page, and here we can check our contact us. So here is nothing, so just go to edit page. So we have breadcrumb and this contact address, email, then this on. Okay, fine. So click on edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. Then from here page layout to we have to Elementor full width. Okay, so from templates to we can save for templates, and from here we can search for our breadcrumbs. Click on insert. Okay, content is done. Now click here, we can choose equal 3 column. So from here we can search for 33.33%. So just copy style and paste style, paste style. So for container we can choose top 80 pixel, bottom 30 pixel. So here we have this icon box, so we can search for our inside this we need a container, so search for our icon. So actually this one icon box, so we don't need extra this one. So search for icon box, this one will be stack. Okay, and from here we can address, and this one change tag to h4, address and paste here, and go to here, go to advanced. From here we can choose padding 15 pixel, 20 pixel, then go to here our background, then change color, this one to our primary color. Okay, then we have border radius like 15 pixel, then click here, go to style and then icon, and here color change to secondary color. Okay, and here size change to like 20 pixel. Now go to here our content, so our content color change to white color. So this one we can choose here like uppercase, font size like 12 pixel. Then we have this one description part, we can change the color, this one change font weight to like 600 and font size like 17 pixel. Okay, so from box we can content spacing like 5, and here image spacing this one. Okay, so content, so from here hover effect we can choose to white color. So copy here and paste, then paste. Now we can just font this one. So here we can just change icon to envelope icon. So insert, then here this one we can choose for font, our font icon. So insert, so here click here and just here font, just cut this part and paste here. Then we have our email. So just copy this from here, just click here, search for envelope part here. Okay, sorry, this icon will be our map marker, actually address for map marker. So click on insert and this one, and right here email part, email, and paste here. Okay, so this part is done. Now click on publish. So from the other side we have this scenario. So we can search for maps icon. So search for Google Maps. Okay, so Google Maps, we can just write here like Brooklyn, Australia. Okay, for example, now we have to this form. For form we have W forms. Go to all forms. So for all forms, click on add new. Okay, so from add new we can create a new form. Okay, here let's go, done. Then here we can use template. Okay, let's go, and here we can just click here, then go to advanced and change to our large. Then click here, we can advanced, we can change to large, and here comment or message, rename to only message, and from advanced we can this one perfect, just click on save. Okay, now refresh the page. So after, so we can search for WP forms. So you can just here drag and drop here. So select from simple contact form. So from this here go to style and change to background color. We can change to our BG2. Yes. Now go to advanced. We can add padding 15 pixel. Okay. Now for forms. So from here label styles. So button style, we can here change color to our primary color. That's perfect. And here address, we can just Brooklyn, Australia. We can just this address. Okay, yes, that's perfect. Now go to here advanced or height, like 500. Yes, I think 500, or this will be perfect. And from advanced we can remove all padding. That's perfect. Go to save changes and preview our changes. So this part done. At the bottom we can add a padding. So go to advanced and add padding bottom 80 pixel. So our all is done now. Okay, all pages creation done. Now we have to this part development and here. So from this we can this one and create here footer part, and go to here appearance to our menus. So we can create a new menu like departments and create menu. Okay, and from all departments I can select view all, select all, add to menu. Okay, now click on save menu. Now refresh the page again. Our few things remain. So from here, okay, so remove this part and search for menu part. So WordPress menu. So drag and drop here, and from department it will be vertical. Okay, underline not, it will be text, and grow not, only none. Okay, go to style and hover. We normal color we can change to white color. From hover we can change color to secondary color. Okay, horizontal padding 0, vertical padding 0, space between we can this one like 15 pixel, I think. Okay, now here we can choose font weight to 500 and font size like 17 pixel, 15 is okay. So then we can decrease like our spacing 12 pixel. That's perfect. Now we have to create those pages, terms, condition, privacy policy. Okay, so from here we can just create here add 5 page 1 2 3 4 5. So from here just create here terms and conditions, so just create here. Okay, for now just press publish. Then we have privacy policy, so copy name from here and published. Then we have company license, so copy from here, then publish. Then we have company support, we can just copy name from here, company support. Okay, company support and publish. And here we can just copy name from here, it will be like FAQ questions. Okay, fine, just press here. Okay, so from here again create a new menu. We just like quick links. Okay, create menu. Now from view all pages, so from here we can choose here company license in support. Then we have our application, privacy policy, terms condition, add to menu. So real terms and condition at the top, then privacy policy and FAQ, that's perfect. Create and save menu. Now refresh the page. Okay, so from here just copy this menu from here and paste. So I can just remove this part from here, and from here we can change to our quick links. Okay, now we need like this separator. So for this separator we can add a divider. So search for divider, and here then we can choose percentage to pixel, and it will be like 30 pixel. And go to style, change color to our secondary color, and gap 0, height 2 pixel. Okay, simply copy, then paste and paste. Okay, now finally it's done. Now click on publish. So if our preview changes, home page. Okay, so now when create this single page, what happened? So if you create our single page, so here is nothing content. So if you check our demo site, so when this one terms condition, privacy policy, company license, company support, FAQ questions. So terms and condition page layout like this. So for we can just copy this content from here. Okay, terms and conditions. So from here we can just paste this content, terms and condition. Okay, now we have like this our FAQ questions. So FAQ may be this one. Paste here, save changes. Then we have company support. So copy text from here, FAQ, then company support, then save. Then company license, here remove this part, company license, paste here, save changes. Okay, and now we have our privacy policy. And save. Okay, just click on save changes. Now we can refresh the page. Okay, this is our demo. Yes, demo. And from here we can go to our business sites. If you click here our this page, terms and conditions, so it looks like very simple, but our sample site is look like this, very nice. So for this, go to again Elementor theme builder. Here we select a single page, add new. And from here we can now need this and from here page settings we can choose like single page is published, and preview settings, yes, page page, yes. So from here display conditions, yes, all pages, yes, it show all pages. Now create here our templates. Then templates to first we have to change our breadcrumbs. So from here we can choose our breadcrumbs part. Click on publish. So if it's the page, okay, nice. Now click on plus icon. From here we can choose this layout. So go to here advanced padding, like top 80 pixel, bottom 80 pixel, and this one, okay. So here we can just here post the content, okay. Now click on publish. Refresh the page, okay. So for right side we can go to here style, then background image, same our single doctor single department page, we can choose here hero BG. Then go to our position center display size cover, and from here go to here from here we can choose here layout align item center, sorry, center not top, I think top is okay, yes. Now from here go to here background overlay, then background color primary, then opacity 0.85, go to advanced and change padding to 25 pixel, and here contact us. So just copy this line from here, and from here go to style, border like 25 pixel, 25 or 50 is okay. Now add a heading, so just search for heading tag, change tag to H4, and here contact us. Color change, and change color to white color, okay. Font weight we can change 700, and font size like 22 pixel or 26. Now we can search for our icon box, okay, same icon, stack, style, left align, vertical and middle. So from here we can just search for address, search for map marker icon, insert. Now here address, this one, okay. Go to here style part. So from here icon, change color to our secondary color, and font size like 16, and here radius this pixel, okay. Now go to content, and here change color to white color, and hover effect, change color to white color. Now here we can choose here font weight like 500, okay, size like 14 pixel, text transform uppercase, font weight like 600, okay. And here this color change to white color again, and then change to our this font weight 600, okay. Font size like 18 pixel, okay, fine. And go to here we can change icon position 10 and content position like 5. Now repeat this part 2 times, 3 and 4. So from here we can just copy here email. So just click here, we can just search for envelope, this icon, insert, okay, and just paste here. So just cut this email from here and paste. Then we have our font and mobile. So from here we can just here font icon, font, then we can just write here font, then this one like it will be like our mobile, so mobile version. So here just click on insert, just write here mobile and paste, click on publish, okay, fine. So hopefully our website is fully okay now. Just click on go to our home page, so we can check one by one is perfect, and click here all pages seems okay or not, okay. Terms and condition page, privacy policy page, company license page, company support page, and evacuation page. Okay, now go to about us page. Okay, this is perfect. Now go to our services page. Services page is okay now. Now go to departments. Okay, so from department read more or single department page. Yes, it's perfect now. Now go to doctor's page. This is our doctor and click on single doctor. Yes, it's working now. Now our blog page. So click on single page. Yes, single page is also perfectly working, and contact us page. Yes, everything seems okay now. So hopefully you like it and enjoy it. So if you like it, don't forget to subscribe and share to others. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.